I'm Cristian G. Papa from Technological University of the Philippines. So, this video is for one of my requirements in my computer-aided instruction subject. So, I will discuss some of components of Swish Max 4, which is, or which are rather, the how to make a button, how to make an input text, how to make a mouse dragging object, how to make a random text, and lastly, how to use the if-else condition. So listen carefully and watch the video, and thank you.
First, click the new, then go to the tools, click the auto shape, then look for the button rounded, so draw a button, then go again to the tools and click the text tool, then draw a text or insert a text, but make sure it should be static. Then write or type push, then go to the scene and click bot, then group as button, and now go to the script, then add script, events button, then on release, then go again to the add script, movie control, go to and play, next scene and play, then change the next, or it's okay if it be next. So go to the add insert scene, then in the scene 2 write a circle to modify that this is the scene 2. Then make sure that scene 1 is, wait, it should be in scene 1 we should, oh yes, we should click the scene and stop, or tick the stop playing at end, and scene 2 also. So now let's try to play it if it will work. So let's push. So as you notice, it go to the scene 2. So new blank document, then write a text. After you write a text, it should be input text, then write the name, or like for example username, then always make sure you tick the target, so black, click the black and black border. So go on the auto shape, then 3D button rounded, were you able to submit it, then resize the button. After you resize the button, let's write again text tool, type the name of your button, like for example this one, so it makes sure it should be static, so change it to static. After you change it, type button. So after this, we group the button and the, oops, sorry, there's an error, but let's proceed. So group as button. After you group as button, we're going to click the scene 1, Then stop playing at end. Make sure after you stop playing at end, insert a scene 2 for you to able to what you insert on the scene 1 will be inserted in the scene 2. So right, that's that. It should be dynamic at this point. So your input text will be read. So rename your dynamic into like message. So make sure you tick the target. After you tick the target, auto shape or auto height by rather, so make sure it should be lines, then change it what lines or how many lines you're going to put. So I put 3. Then after you put it, you're going to click the scene 1 again, then the button, select the button, then go to script, select on this script, you're going to unrelease, then enter, name XPR, you're going to name XPR, and the statements like yeah, so name XPER. On the name field, we're going to write input name. Then in expression, you're going to write the name of your input text, which is username. So you will write username dot text. So let's type it, username dot text. Yes, username dot text. So username dot text. Then here we are. We already have the name and the so here you put it. We're going now to wait. You're going to oh yes, add script on it. Movie control, go to and play. So next scene and play. So at this point, we already have the next scene. So let's proceed to the scene 2 where the message is located. So let's put it so on the script of the scene 2, we're going to add script, statement, name XPR. So after this, we name the target as the message. Then the name is the text, type text, or in the arrow behind it, or in the arrow. So there, so text, then text. After that, in the expression field, you put the quotation or what you're going to out. Like for example, welcome to the Swish Max or welcome, like that one. Then add the input name or the input name that you are defined on the scene 1. Then add and then add new line to able to enter. Then add the last sentence you're going to out. So enter. So there we are. We already finished our script. So we're going to the layout scene, then play, control, play movie. So at this point, type the name, like for example, Rizal. After you type your name button, welcome Rizal. Thank you. So there you are. You already have the input text. Open a new file. Then go to auto shape or on a circle, by the way. then draw a circle, then write the name ball. So target, don't forget, so you should script it, or you should use it on the script. Then click the scene 1. Oh, transform. No, you're going to go on transform panel. Then click the draw or the tab, which is 0 equals x. Then after you click this, you're going to select, yes. So script now. First, add script events frame on self event load or press. Then right click. Oh no, wait, it's add script again. Then mouse drag, start drag. So after you put it there, add script again on self event, press again. Oh, release, press and release, should be release. Then enter, then mouse drag, stop drag at this point. So after you stop drag, let's go back to the layout scene. Yes, let's go back to the layout scene. Then click the play control, then drag or circle. Therefore, now you have a drag. And after your new line, you're going to click the text, then write or insert a text. Make sure it should be dynamic. Then write the name of your dynamic text, like for example message, then target. Then after you pick the target, you're going to click the auto height, then make sure it should be lines. So other parts line, so change it how many lines you're going to input. So after it, you're going to click the message and just group it into movie clip. After you group it into movie clip, you're going to click the movie clip, then go to the oh yes, wait, you're going to go to script, then add script event frame on self event load. After that, we're going to type SMT equals new array open and close, then terminator or semicolon, then type SMT or SMT bracket, closing open bracket, the number 0 should be start on the 0. So write your first word that you're going to out. After, you're going to SMT again, so it's 1. Then pretty. The next is SMT again, so at this point it should be 2. Then write again a description like nice. Make sure you always put a terminator or a semicolon. So lastly, you should write the name of your dynamic text, message that text, then equals to what you're going to out. Like on this gun, you put u is then you are, by the way, rather it should be you are, then add input name or the new line rather, then add then math SMT. So math random in. After you add it, yes, so as you notice, it lasts on the 2, so the max which should be 3. So don't forget to put the bracket on the SMT and on the last after SMT and the terminator again. So after you write it, let's proceed now. So play. So there you are nice, and play again. You are nice. Play again. Yeah. So there is random selection. So like 1, so you're nice, then you are nice, then you're beautiful. So we have a random now. So first, open a new file. After you open a new file, back to the layout scene, then go add insert scene 2 for the question, the correct and the wrong. So those scenes we should stop playing at end. After you stop playing at end, we're going to back to the scene 1, then write make sure it's static, then write what's your question. So after you write your question, for example, what is the color of apple, then you're going to add again a text, but this point you're going to click the input, so you're able to input the text. So you name it like answer, for example, then target. After you do that, you're going to click the auto shape, then round button or button rounded. So resize it. After you resize it, you're going to, oh, by the way, I forgot, we should click the black. Every time we put input text, we should put the black, so it should be emphasized. Then write a text, statics, then write submit, so you're able to submit your answer. After you write submit, you group the button in the submit as a button, then go to script. After you do that, you're going to add script events button on release, then you're going to statements name XPR. On name, should put input name. Then in expression, we should put the answer that text what your name on the input text. It should be the name of your expression text. Now enter. So we already have here on the script. Then make sure you delete the terminator or the semicolon. Then the next is write if or type if. Then inside the open and close parentheses, input name equals. Then quotation. Inside the quotations, write the correct answer, which is red, right? So bracket, curly bracket. Then go to scene and play. So what scene it should be? So you put on the open and close parentheses, then quotation inside, double quotation by the way, rather. So put scene 2. It means you're going to the correct scene. So after that, close terminator or semicolon, then close curly bracket. So type else if, then open and close, then quotation again. Oh, not quotation, right? Input name equals, nope, exclamation point, then equals to the red. Then again, what you done on the input name, you're going to done on the else if. So go to scene and play. It should be on scene 3 for the wrong scene. So type scene 3. After you type it, you're going to close curly bracket again. Then after it, you're now going to the layout scene. Then go to the scene 2, write something that you can modify that this is the correct scene. So like you're correct. Then in scene 3, we're going to write to modify again that this is the wrong scene. So oh, you're wrong, like that. Okay, so type oh, you're wrong. Then after this, you already have, so let's move on to the scene 1. Oh, by the way, let's play again. So type your answer on the input text, red, so let's submit it. So you're correct, it means your answer is correct. Now let's try to put a wrong one. So like for example, it's blue, so submit. So it's go on the, oh, you're wrong, so there.
Oh, hi again. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned some components of Swish Max 4. So thank you again, and God bless.